Hi guys, it's me Sakti back with a new video. In this video I'm gonna explain my whole journey from Bangalore to Ooty, like expenses, hotel, public bus or private taxi for sightseeing. So any doubt you have, I'm gonna clarify. So stay tuned, let's get started. I booked DLT bus for my journey. It cost me around 1200. You can book ticket from Red Bus or Amazon site. I like this bus, as you can see, the comfort, and you will get a Wi-Fi, CCTV, so many things you will get. So yeah, I liked. Here is your complimentary stop, like water and some snacks. Here is the footage from morning. We are yet to reach Ooty. Finally we reached. As you can see, that's the railway station where we are going to take toy train to Kunnur. From bus stand to railway station, it's totally walkable. So here is the train I was talking about to reach Kunnur. So I booked a second class ticket 1 week before my journey, and it's totally uncomfortable. I am a 6 feet height, so first class. Here is the first class ticket, which is looks completely comfortable. So finally train departed from its station. As you can see, there are so many hotels. Okay. So no need to be worried about hotel. So here it is tunnel. See how people are enjoying this tunnel. We are about to reach Kunnur. As you can see, Kunnur. Here you will get good snacks like idli, bada, sambar and tea. Everything is affordable and hygienic as well. So choose what you want to eat. I took one taxi for sightseeing of Kunnur. I have 4 hours to visit. Then again I have to return. Here it is Sleeping Lady viewpoint. You will get this mountain on the way. It looks like a lady is just sleeping, so that shape, on that shape they kept that name. Let me explain whole thing. Meanwhile, you enjoy the viewpoints. Once you come out from Kunnur station, many taxi driver will approach you for the sightseeing of Kunnur with different packages based on how much place you want to cover, starting from 1,000 to some 3,000 or 3,700 something. Though we had to return again back to OT by train, so we choose 1,300 package with a driver launch fee extra. You can negotiate that thing. Actually, they don't tell you that we have to take lunch fee, so they assume that you have to pay like 100 or something. So better you negotiate from starting. Whichever you feel good, plan accordingly. Any doubt, feel free to comment. I will definitely help you. Here we are going to shop various type of uti, specialty, chocolate, oil and many things like masala, so many things. So let's see. They will instruct us how their their process of
देखिए बॉयलर दिखाना बॉयलर का कैपेसिटी 500 लीटर 200 लीटर पानी डाल के 500 किलो पत्ता डाल के ढक्कन रखना नीचे गर्म करे तो बॉयल आएगा पाइप दिखाना बीच में स्टीम है इसका अंदर कंडेंसर है बहुत गर्म आएगा स्टीम ठंडा करने के लिए नॉर्मल पानी ठंडा करके नीचे आएगा ऑयल और पानी दोनों मिला के आएगा ऑयल वजन कम में ऊपर रहता है पानी वजन ज्यादा नीचे रहता है दोनों कलेक्ट करके लैब में प्यूरिफाई करते हैं प्यूरिफाई करके दुकान से सेल करते हैं हिल ग्रेन कंपनी का दुकान ये वाला हीन ऑयल माइग्रेन साइनस प्रॉब्लम का यूज कर सकता है गलते या विंटर ग्रेन दर्द के लिए यूज कर सकता है 3 तरीके का ऑयल है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग अब आने के रास्ता पे टी एस्टेट देखिए ना पुराना हिंदी फिल्म एक्टर मुमताज का चाय का गाड़ा 2,500 एकड़ का उसका चाय पत्ती पूरा मिलेगा तो कंपनी का दुकान है हिल ग्रेन कंपनी का चाय जरा टेस्ट कर देखिए मसाला टी चॉकलेट टी ग्रीन टी पसंद कोको बटर शुगर पहले कर डालते हैं ऐसे स्टीम आएगा स्टीम से लिक्विड आएगा हम ये ट्रे में डालते हैं अच्छा करके बढ़िया अंदर करना 250 ग्राम 130 रुपये चॉकलेट आधा किलो चॉकलेट पूरा मिलेगा पहले अंदर चाय टेस्ट करते
Here they will give you tester. You can test various type of tea, and based on that you can judge whether you should purchase or not. These are the oils I was talking, like for hair oil, for sinus. So yeah, if you want to purchase that also, you can purchase. These are chocolate tester. You test it, then obviously you will buy. So we purchased so many things from chocolate to oil, masala tea. Anyway, we are moving towards that Lamb's Rock. So now we are at Lamb's Rock. So and one thing, guys, don't spend more money in this photo click. They charges you like 200, 150. They click good photo, but they cannot provide you soft copy, and that copy they gives actually they use a normal printer, so it's not good. So better you click your photo on. So today journey is going to complete. So now we are returning to Kunnur railway station. This is the Kunnur city. See how it looks beautiful, colorful. Next day I'm gonna cover Ooty places and Paikra places both. So today I'm feeling tired, so that portion I'm gonna make separate video. So till then, bye bye guys. I want you to like this video and subscribe my channel it's a new channel, so I'm so meet you in my next video where I will cover Ooty and Paikra places. This is my hotel. Anyway, thank you. Bye.